Hello students, welcome to e-learning session. Today we will complete 12th lesson Introduction to Acid and Base. So let's start with acid. Start from acid. What are acid? It is a substance. Acid is a substance which gives H plus ions in solution state. So when acid is dissolved in water, its solution becomes aqueous, means the solution of acid in water is called as aqueous solution. So when acids are added to the water, its constituents hydrogen and chloride, they get separated. But here give and take relation takes place between electrons and as a result ions are formed. Here hydrogen ion is formed and here chloride ion is formed. So electron is donated from hydrogen, as a result hydrogen becomes positive ion and this donated electron is accepted by chlorine, hence it becomes negative ion, hence it is called as chloride ion. So here these hydrogen and chlorine they dissociates when acid is dissolved in water. They dissociates means separates in aqueous solution. So as a result two types of ions are formed. One is positive ion and one is negative ion. Understood? So acid, what are acids? So when acids dissolve in water they gives out H plus ions. So the substance which gives out H plus ions are called as acids. So take beaker with water and add acid in water. Again one time add acid in water. Understood? So this acid when it is added to water it dissociates. Okay, so it dissociates means its constituent means this is hydrochloric acid. So its constituents, that is hydrogen and chlorine, they get separated from one another in the form of ions. So this acid it dissociates in H plus ions and by forming H plus and Cl minus ions. So the substance which gives out H plus ion is called as acid. Let's learn about examples of acids. These are some examples of some acids. First one, hydrochloric acid. Formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Second one, sulfuric acid. Formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Third one, nitric acid. Formula is HNO3. And fourth one, carbonic acid. Formula is H2CO3. Now these are the examples of natural or organic acids. The first one is vinegar. Vinegar, the name is acetic acid. In orange we find citric acid, while tamarind it contains tartaric acid, tomato contains oxalic acid, curd is having lactic acid and lemon is having citric acid. Properties of acid. Number 1, acids are sour in taste. Then second property is that acid molecules contain hydrogen ion as a main constituent. As I told you, when acid dissolves in water in their solution form, they gives out H plus ions. So why? Because acid molecules they contain hydrogen ion. It is positively charged ion. When acid reacts with metals, they gives out hydrogen gas. So acid reacts with metals to form hydrogen gas. And when acid reacts with carbonates, it liberates carbon dioxide gas. So the chemical reaction between acid and carbonate, it gives out carbon dioxide gas, while blue litmus turns red in acid. These are the properties of acid. Acids are very important. There are many uses of acids, such as number 1, acid is used in production of chemical fertilizers. So many chemical fertilizers have rich source of or they contains acids. Then second one, acids they are used in the production of explosives. Then they are used in oil purification, they are used in medicines, they are used in dyes and paints. Then hydrochloric acid, it is used for the preparation of different types of chloride salts. Dilute H2SO4 acid, that is sulfuric acid, it is used in the batteries, car batteries, then other vehicles batteries. They consist of H2SO4 in dilute form. Then dilute hydrochloric acid is used for sterilization of water. Then last one is acid is used for making of white paper from wood pulp. Concentrated acid and conductivity of acid. So dissolution of concentrated H2SO4 in water, it generates large amount of heat. Therefore, for dilution of concentrated acid, it is slowly added to water. As I told you, it produces large amount of heat, so which leads to explosion. That's why never add water in the acid. As I told you in my previous video that we have to add slowly acid in water to avoid explosion. Then alkalis like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, they are strong and caustic in nature. Their concentration, concentrated solution, it burns skin because it decomposes the proteins in the skin. When we cut sour fruits like lemon, raw mangoes, why the iron knife shines? We know that the acid acts on the surface of the iron and the compounds that are formed on the surface get dissolved in the acid. So as a result, it shines after cutting the sour fruits like raw mangoes and lemons. Till now we learned that mineral acids are very harmful to our body. But several organic acids that are present in our body and also in plants, they are useful to us. Now which acids are present in our body? First one, DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. It is present in our body and it decides heredity property. Then proteins, which are part of our body cell, they are made up of amino acids, and there are total 20 types of amino acids in our body. Then fat of our body is formed by fatty acids. Apart from these, the waste substances collected from the cell, it also consists of uric acid. In our stomach, gastric acid is present. So these are the different types of acids that are present in our body, which are very, very useful except uric acid. After learning acids, we'll start understanding base. Bases have their properties which are opposite to the acids. The another name of base is alkali. Alkali is a substance whose water solution gives hydroxide ion. For example, alkali. Take example of NaOH. Its aqueous solution, when NaOH dissolves in water, it gives out Na plus and OH minus. So this hydroxide ion, formation of hydroxide ion is a characteristics of base. This hydroxide ion is negatively charged ion. Have you noticed that hydrogen ion which is formed when acids added in the water? In the aqueous solution of acids, H positive ion is formed, and in the aqueous solution of base, which ion is formed? OH minus ion. Understood? Now, these are the different types of base. First one is sodium hydroxide. It is used to form that detergent powder. Potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide are the other examples of bases. Here, name of alkali, its formula and use is given in this table. Now first name is sodium hydroxide, the other name is caustic soda. Its formula is NaOH and it is used for washing to form washing soap. Potassium hydroxide, its another name is potash. Formula is KOH. It is also used to form soap and shampoo. While calcium hydroxide, its another name is lime water. Its formula is CaOH taken twice. Again listen one time. CaOH taken twice. And it is used for whitewashing. Then fourth one, magnesium hydroxide. Its name is milk of magnesium. Its formula is MgOH taken twice. It is used to cure acidity. So acidity resistant medicines, that is antacids, are made up of using MgOH taken twice. And the next base is ammonium hydroxide. Formula of ammonium hydroxide is NH4OH. It is used for the production of fertilizers. So after learning it, make a table in your classwork. Please write down all the names with formula and uses. Now properties of alkalis. Alkali has bitter taste. They are slippery. It means they are soapy to touch. Then they contains hydroxide ion as a main constituent. And last one, metal oxides are generally alkaline in nature, while non-metal oxides are generally acidic in nature. Neutralization reaction. So we have seen that acid contains H positive, that is hydrogen ions, and alkali contains OH minus, that is hydroxide ions. So salt and water are formed by combination of acid and alkali. So if we take acid in beaker and if we add phenolphthalein as an indicator, then take alkali in another beaker and then add it dropwise. When the solution it becomes slight pink, just leave it. So when acid reacts with base, what is formed? Salt and water is formed. It means when HCl reacts with NaOH, sodium chloride, NaCl means sodium chloride, and water is formed. So this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. This is neutralization reaction because due to the reaction between acid and base, the newly formed substance is neither acidic nor basic. Hence, this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So, here sodium chloride is neither acidic nor basic. It is neutral in nature. Water is also neither acidic nor basic. Students, we know that hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. It helps to ease digestion process. But excessive acid, it leads to indigestion. So in such case, when person suffers from indigestion due to acidity, when excess acids are produced in the stomach, we say we are suffering from acidity. At that time, antacids are used to control this hyperacidity. Why? Because this medicine, that is antacids, contains milk of magnesium, that is MgOH taken twice, magnesium hydroxide, which is alkaline in nature, and the reaction takes place between acid and milk of magnesium, and due to this reaction acid get neutralized, excess acid in the, that is excess acid that are formed in the stomach get neutralized, and in this way acidity gets cured. The acidity of soil, it increases due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. So under the guidance of agriculturist, means the person who is expert of agriculture, means who studied BSc agriculture. So that expert person, by the guidance of such expert person, limestone or lime water is mixed in the acidic soil. So these alkaline substances, they neutralizes excess acid present in the soil. We know that crops are not grown properly in the acidic soil. That's why we have to neutralize this acidic soil by adding alkaline substance. So due to chemical reaction, the soil becomes it loses its acidic property, and then such soil is useful for the growth of crops. Here we are finishing today's part, that is 12th lesson. We'll meet in next session with exercises. Till then, bye.